Hi, Troy here with the Road Dancing, and here at the Stomp It Out video of 3 Tequila Floor. Now, this is an intermediate 32 count 4-wall dance, and it does have those 3 restarts. Now, if you haven't learned this dance, it's okay. Grab your tequila and click on that link in the upper right corner. It will take you right to our tutorial video. Otherwise, subscribe down below, and let's stomp it out.
In a little cantina in Cabo, I poured a shot of mezcal in a glass. Started talking to the worm at the bottom of the bottle. We cried and we laughed. About then I started losing all feeling. For every shot I had, I must have had one more. Next thing I know, I was staring at the ceiling. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. Well, it got a little wild at the bachelorette party. Little Katie Shepherd weighed $105. She went from quiet and shy to want to fight everybody. White dress, black eye, teardrops falling, makeup running like Tammy Faye Baker praying to the Lord. Started out fun, but now she's done. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh. Makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. Tommy turned 21 like a rock star, buying Cuervo gold round after round. Thought he was bulletproof till the shots started flying. Bottoms up, man down, lying on the barroom floor, head spinning, down for the count, looking for the door. Last thing he said, all blurry-eyed grinning, was 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh. Makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. The spaceship crashed in the Roswell desert. Little green man stumbled into a bar, tried to blend in with all the other fellers. So good, so far. A few drinks and he was having fun, till some military men walked through the door. He dragged him off to Area 51, singing 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor. For a good time, oh, add some salt and lime, oh. Makes you feel so fine, oh, you'll keep wanting more. A few shots of agave makes your knees get wobbly, then it wrecks your body. 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila floor.